After fixing everything and all the screws, I had to redo and fix all the stuff in here, which was also busted. Now it is in good condition. I took it outside and ran it outside, and now it's time to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna there we go. Now it's heating up, and there's a little bit of smoke going out. Oh, no, it didn't start. All right. I was hoping that it starts. There we go. Now I see a little bit of flame, and I'm going to wait until it starts going, but it takes several minutes. So I'm going to come back when it's done heating up. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. Here it is. Got a little smoke, a little leak. I know where that leak's coming from. There's this screw on the bottom was the trouble to begin with. But anyway, as you can see, it's running under its own power. And I can loosen this up, this screw a little bit. Okay, I ran out of fuel. So I guess that's what happened. It's no more fuel here, and it also, I got it wet because this drips on to the bottom part where the fuel was at, and it soaked it up, and that put out the fire. So that's okay. At least you've seen it, that it's running on its own power, and it didn't take even that long to warm it up. So I'm very, very happy that it's working, and I'm gonna just have to repack the these two places where there is some leak. Actually, just this bottom screw is what's leaking, so I'm gonna put in a different O-ring on there and tighten it back up again, and hopefully that will stop the dripping. And here is the broken piece, this little glass tube. I am so upset that I managed to break it, but I don't know how it happened. I'm pretty sure that I maybe tightened the screws too tight or something. It was definitely my fault, but that's just what it is, I guess. I just have to find me another one. If you guys know out there where to find one, or know glass blower, then I would appreciate if you let me know. Thank you very much, and once I have it up and running again, I'll make another video. And thank you for all the help you guys have given me. Bye-bye.